Lawmaker representing Nasarawa West in the Senate, Abdullahi Adamu, has declared that the current administration has not failed. Adamu, who is chairman Senate Committee on Agriculture, stated this while briefing Senate correspondents on Monday in Abuja. According to him, there is no basis for comparing the country with other developing nations. He insists that Nigeria has not failed under the leadership of President Muhammadu Buhari. He submits that the security challenges bedeviling Nigeria have been ongoing for decades. He explained that Parliament can only make laws and recommendations to the executive as it does not have the powers to hire and fire.
The duty to protect the herdsman and the farmer rests squarely on the table of the national government, the state government, and the local government administration. The question to ask is, have the government done what it is supposed to do to protect the Nigerians who are in that calling, in that profession, in that trade? I would say no. My answer is no. And you cannot blame a person who is desperate, who is looking for a means of livelihood, from going to pursue legitimate goals. However, this does not excuse anybody in the course of exercising his right, doing harm to somebody else's right.
Hello, hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification button so you get notified about fresh news updates.